Hey guys, it's your girl Faith93. Thank you all for tuning back into my channel. And if you're new to my channel or over here just lurking around, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so that you do not miss out on any of my videos. And also click that notification bell. If you don't have it turned on, go ahead and click it. Alright, so today I am super duper excited. I have an unboxing video for you guys. As you can tell by the title, I am unboxing my iMac computer. Ta-da! Alright, so yes, I have been wanting an iMac desktop forever. Yeah, I'm super excited. The reason why I have not been able to put out content for real is because I have this old MacBook. Well, it's not too old. It's about 6 or 7 years old, and it's just acting slow and so much space taken up on it. So I'm like, I need me something heavy duty that I can get these videos out to y'all. So yeah, let me stop rambling and let's go ahead and get into this unboxing, and I can tell you all the specs on the computer that I got. So yeah. Alright, so I got my scissors and we're about to take this out. Okay, so I did buy this. I purchased this from Apple. And I purchased it on March 25th, and they said that it was going to take till June. Who texted me? They said it was going to take till June, June 4th or June 8th to get here. And I was just like, dang, that's a long time, but I was on the wait because I got a pretty good deal on this. I was able to use my teacher discount. Use a teacher discount on it, which knocked off 10%. But still, when you're purchasing a desktop computer, 10% is a couple $100, okay? And yeah, guys, I'm using this little desk right here until I get my real desk. So yeah, this is just gonna have to do for now, cause IKEA is tripping right now, and that's where I would have got my desk. So I'm not paying $200 for them to ship a $70 desk to me. No ma'am. Okay, so we have the screen out. And I'm guessing that this is the keyboard. Okay, it's the keyboard and the mouse. That's what I was expecting. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So excited. So excited. So excited. I feel like Kevin Hart. Okay, so they gave me a USB port. Does this not have plugs? I'm confused, Apple. Okay, y'all, so I was just I know Apple ain't playing with me like this. I found the cord that attaches, that hooks up and turns it on. I was I know they ain't leave me hanging and forget my cord that I need. Apple is tripping if they did. Okay, so we have it plugged up and let's turn it on. Alright, you guys, so I am back after fiddling with my new computer for a little bit. So I just want to go over the specs with the type of computer that I got. So once again, this is the iMac 27-inch, and it is the 5K with the 5K Retina display. The processor that I got is the 3.0 gigahertz processor. It has the 32 gigabytes of memory, and the storage that I got on here is the 1 terabyte of SSD storage. Now, I heard that SSD storage was better than all the regular other storage. So that's what I got. I got the 1 terabyte of SSD, and I can also choose to hook up an external hard drive if I need extra storage as well. So the graphics card on this is like 4 gigabytes. I just got the mouse and the keyboard that comes with it, just the standard. And I was able to get the Pro Apps edition with my my teacher discount. So I was able to get installed on here like Final Cut Pro, Compressor, Logic X, and Motion for like $190 or something like that, $199. So like super cheap, because like Final Cut Pro by itself is like just $300. So I was able to get all these apps for about $200. So like literally a third of the price of what everything would have cost with my teacher app. And of course I got the standard Apple Care for it for 3 years. So yeah, I am so happy about my purchase, you guys. I'm so excited. I know y'all probably saw like the little sticky notes that were up against my wall earlier, and I know it kind of look a mess, but y'all, like, manifestation is real. Like, I have my little sticky note. I'm gonna even break it down. I have this sticky note that I wrote maybe about a year ago, and it says, "I am so blessed and thankful to God to have my iMac desktop computer." I did not have my desktop computer over a year ago, but I spoke it into existence, and now it is here, y'all. Like, so manifestation is real. The law of attraction is real. If you speak it and you think on it, meditate on it, it's gonna happen, guys. Like, yeah, God is good, y'all. So I just wanted to unbox this computer with you guys and show you all what I got. Some of y'all may have been looking into getting an iMac desktop and what you think might be the best. I think this would be great as a starter computer. It definitely has enough storage that I need and everything, so I'm excited for my purchase. I'm excited to get to playing around and tinkering with everything and uploading some videos using Final Cut Pro. So hopefully, I am hoping that this will give me the motivation I need to get like videos out, like bam, 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 like just get them out. Okay, that's all that I have in this video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this little kind of like tech talk, although I don't really know everything about, you know, tech and all of that, but yeah. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.